Ever wondered how to change your windshield wipers by yourself? Today we're diving into the topic of windshield wiper replacement, a crucial aspect of regular vehicle maintenance for safe driving. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step on how to replace your windshield wipers. Before we dive in, make sure you have the right tools and supplies on hand. You'll need new wiper blades compatible with your car's size, which you can confirm at a parts store. Additionally, a flathead screwdriver is required. Some vehicles allow raising wiper blades using the car's computer. With these in your possession, you're ready to start. Now it's time for the new wiper blades. Take the fresh blade and slide it onto the arm, guiding it along until you hear a satisfying "this" click is the indication that your blade is securely in place, ready to take on whatever Mother Nature might throw at it. Now gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. And just like that, you've successfully replaced your windshield wiper blades. Before we move on to common mistakes, let's take a closer look at the process we've just gone through. Begin by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield. This will give you easy access to the old blade. Now locate the small tab on the underside of the wiper. Depress this tab to release the old blade from the arm. Once you've removed the old blade, it's time to align the new one. Hold the new blade parallel to the arm and slide it along the track. You should feel a click as it secures into place. Remember, don't force it. If it doesn't slide on smoothly, double-check your alignment and the size of your blade. Once the blade is secure, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. And there you have it, a more detailed step-by-step guide to changing your windshield wiper blade. This should make the process even more straightforward for you. Before we dive into the detailed guide, let's take a moment to talk about common mistakes and how to troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. One common mistake is forcing the wiper blade onto the arm. Remember, it should slide on smoothly. If you're having trouble, double-check to make sure you have the correct size blade and that it's oriented correctly. Another common issue is scratching the windshield when removing the old blade. To avoid this, be sure to lift the wiper arm high enough to clear the windshield. And lastly, if your new wiper blade isn't clearing the windshield properly, it might not be securely attached. Check to make sure it's clicked into place. If it's still not working, it may be a defective blade. Don't worry, this is rare, but it does happen. Simply replace it with another new one. By being aware of these common mistakes and knowing how to troubleshoot them, you'll be well on your way to a successful wiper blade replacement.